In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to convert Wix website to PDF file. This is my Wix website. Now I will convert this website to a PDF file. To convert this website to a PDF file, first copy your website link, open a new tab and search I love PDF. Hit enter, click on this first link, scroll down little bit, click on HTML to PDF, then add HTML. Paste your Wix website link here and click add. Then click on convert PDF, convert to PDF, converting HTML to PDF. Convert is processing. Now download PDF. PDF file download starting. Download complete. Perfectly converted a Wix website into a PDF file. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel.